Hello everyone, welcome to JSV's kitchen. Today we will make orange ice cream without condensed milk, without cornstarch in a very different way. I believe in homemade food is always good because it is hygienic, healthy, fresh and nutritious. So let's get started. I have taken 1 liter of milk. It's raw milk. It will be good to take full fat milk. Now I have taken 1 cup of sweet corns. These are frozen sweet corns. I have washed them and put it in a grinder jar. Then I will add half cup of milk and grind it into a paste. Milk is boiled and the paste is done. Switch off the flame and strain the paste through a sieve. Press while sieving with the back of the ladle and collect thick paste as much as you can. Keep on sieving until minimum residue is left in the sieve. It will act as natural cornstarch. We have collected the paste in a bowl and it is done now. See the residue. We will discard it. Collect all the thick portion of this paste from the sieve in the bowl, and this is very nice and thick paste. We will add this paste in the boiled milk now. Switch on the flame again and add this paste into the boiled milk and keep on stirring it continuously. Cook it on a low medium flame, stirring continuously until we get the milk half in quantity. Scrape the sides while cooking. Now we can see the half quantity of milk is left. We will add half cup of milk powder. This is sweetened milk powder, but no problem if you have not sweetened powder. You can use unsweetened also. Mix it well and then add half cup of granulated sugar. If you are taking sweetened milk powder, then you can less 2 tablespoons from half cup of sugar. But if you are adding unsweetened milk powder, then you will add half cup of sugar. Sugar is dissolved now and the milk is thickened very well. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts powder. Keep the cashew nuts in the fridge and grind them in the grinder jar. To make their powder, then mix them very well. Cook for 2 minutes on a low medium flame. It will thicken the milk and enhance the flavor and taste as well. Keep on stirring and after 2 minutes switch off the flame and let it cool down. When it comes at the room temperature, keep it in the fridge. Now take some fresh oranges and squeeze out their juice. Strain the juice to avoid fibers. I need 200 ml of juice, so I squeezed out 3 oranges. It depends on the quantity of juice in the oranges. Oranges are very refreshing and rich in vitamin C. Consume them to boost your immunity and improve the texture of your skin. See the consistency of this ice cream mixture after refrigerating it for 2 hours. It is quite thicker than before. Now we will add freshly extracted orange juice. I have not added sugar because my oranges are sweet, but if your oranges are sour, then add sugar when mix all the things together with whisk, electric beater or hand blender. Now I am taking 1 cup of whipping cream, that is also called heavy cream or non-dairy cream. Whip it with hand blender, electric beater or hand whisk. Whip it until we get stiff peaks. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes if our vessel is cold, our cream is chilled. So our cream is whipped very well, stiff peaks appear. How lovely it is. We will combine all the things together now. Mix orange juice in the ice cream mixture and then add whipped cream. Mix it gently with the help of spatula. Then I will add 10 to 15 drops of orange food color. This is edible food color. I am adding liquid food color, but you can also use color in powdered form or you can skip it. It will give nice orange color to the ice cream. I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to enhance the flavor of this ice cream. I love this flavor. It's mind blowing. After adding this vanilla essence or vanilla extract, we will blend all the things together with hand whisker, hand blender or electric whisk. You can add ground sugar if your oranges are sour at this stage. Taste it and add sugar if needed. Blend all the things very well and see the consistency. It is perfect to form an ice cream. Now taste it and add more sugar if you want. Then pour this mixture in the container or in the cake tin or in any vessel you want it. Set your refrigerator at the highest number for the better results. After pouring this mixture, tap the container to avoid air bubbles. Then they will form into ice crystals. Use your spatula to remove air bubbles also. Now cover this container with aluminium foil or you can use cling wrap also. Then cover it with its lid tightly and freeze it overnight for better results. It should be frozen minimum for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. I am showing you this on the next day. Wow, it's nicely set. So hard. Very good. Keep this container for 5 to 7 minutes on the kitchen platform to scoop it out. Now see the formation, see the creamy texture of it. So lovely in color and delicious in taste. So scrumptious. You will love to make it again and again. It's so delicious. I am filling my bowl to enjoy this delicious ice cream. Enjoy this recipe in this way. It's very easy to make but very delicious in taste. So please do try this recipe in this way and give your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for tasty, healthy, nutritious, easy, quick, interesting and exotic recipes. Moreover, you can make it with easily available ingredients at home. Enjoy this recipe. See the creamy texture of it. It's so yum. Very lovely. So thank you for watching. Enjoy this recipe.